Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the surprising health benefits of papaya leaves. You might be familiar with the delicious fruit of the papaya tree, but did you know that its leaves are packed with incredible nutrients and medicinal properties? Stick around to discover how papaya leaves can improve your health in ways you never imagined. Nutritional profile of papaya leaves. Papaya leaves are rich in essential vitamins and minerals that can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. They contain vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as B vitamins like B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin. These leaves are also a good source of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, and iron. 1. Boosting immunity. One of the most notable benefits of papaya leaves is their ability to boost your immune system. The high vitamin C content helps to strengthen your body's defense mechanisms, making you less susceptible to infections and diseases. Additionally, papaya leaves contain antioxidants that help to fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Promoting digestive health. Papaya leaves are known for their digestive health benefits. They contain a digestive enzyme called papain, which helps to break down proteins and aids in the digestion process. This enzyme can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and heartburn. Drinking papaya leaf tea or juice regularly can improve your digestive health over time. 3. Managing dengue fever. In some parts of the world, papaya leaves are used as a natural remedy for dengue fever. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease that can cause severe flu-like symptoms. Papaya leaf extract has been shown to increase platelet count, which is crucial for dengue patients as the disease often leads to a drop in platelets. While more research is needed, many people have reported positive results from using papaya leaf extract during dengue fever. 4. Supporting liver health. Your liver plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, and papaya leaves can help support its function. The leaves have been found to have hepatoprotective properties, meaning they can help protect the liver from damage. Consuming papaya leaf juice or extract can aid in the detoxification process and promote liver health. 5. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Papaya leaves contain compounds like flavonoids and alkaloids that have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of papaya leaf tea or extract can help reduce inflammation and may alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. 6. Regulating blood sugar levels. For those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition, papaya leaves can be beneficial in regulating blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that papaya leaf extract can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. Including papaya leaves in your diet can help manage diabetes and improve overall metabolic health. 7. Promoting hair and skin health. Papaya leaves aren't just good for your internal health, they can also enhance your external beauty. The leaves are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy skin and hair. Applying papaya leaf juice to your scalp can help reduce dandruff and promote hair growth, while using it as a face mask can improve skin texture and reduce acne. 8. Alleviating menstrual pain. For women who experience painful menstrual cramps, papaya leaves can offer relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of the leaves can help reduce pain and discomfort. Drinking papaya leaf tea during menstruation can ease cramps and other related symptoms. Papaya leaves are a hidden gem in the world of natural health remedies. From boosting immunity to promoting digestive health and managing dengue fever, these leaves offer a wide range of benefits that you might not have known about. Start incorporating papaya leaves into your diet and health routine to experience these surprising benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried papaya leaves and noticed any benefits.